Hi friends, in this video we are going to see best penny stocks based on our view. This video is purely meant for educational purpose. The first stock we are going to see is NHPC Limited. Based on Wikipedia, NHPC Limited is an Indian hydropower generation company that was incorporated in the year 1975 with an authorized capital of Rs 2,000 million and with an objective to plan, promote, and organize an integrated and efficient development of hydroelectric power in all aspects. On valuations, the company has a price-to-earning ratio of 9.03 versus 19.18 times, which is industry average. The low PE ratio states that the company is underpriced. The company has a good price-to-book ratio of 0.76 versus an industry average of 2.14 times. Cash from operation is rich for the company, which is around 3,252 crores for the previous year. The more the company could generate cash, the more it can invest in new ventures. Indian government holds around 70% of total share capital. The debt-to-equity ratio for this company is 59%, which is good comparing to its peers having 96%. Revenue for this company has been at an increasing pace from 8,975 crores in 2018 to 10,942 in 2020. Earnings per share has also increased from 2.45 to 2.86 rupees per share over 3 years. Also, this company has declared a decent profit in last quarter ended December 2020. As this is a public sector undertaking, it is obvious that government require cash for operations, resulting in payment of dividends by the company. This company has been offering a good dividend payout of around 6% per annum, which is more than fixed deposit returns nowadays. The company also has a good profit margin of nearly 30%, which is quite attractive. Also, this company's major expense is around only 25% of its total revenue, which the company might try to capitalize from it in the future.